Congratulations, and I'm back again with the Genshin video. Today is going to be a full kit breakdown on Arataki Itto. Alright, so Mihoyo say that Arataki Itto is a geo damage dealer who deals mainly using his charge attack, which is actually true, because you'll see it in a moment, okay? So, this is his normal attack. Fight Club Legend, alright? Perform up to 4 consecutive strikes when the second and fourth strike hits opponent. Itto will gain 1 or 2 stacks of superlative super strength. Max 5 stacks, okay? And when he's doing this combo and you dash or elemental skill, it will not reset for a certain period of time. It will not reset, which is pretty good. His stacks, instead of consume stamina, when you have the stacks, it just consumes the stack instead of the stamina. Unless you have 0 stack, it will do only 1 slash, and it will still deal a decent damage, but it won't be as effective as like 3 or 4 stacks or 5 even. So yeah, you need to build up those stacks. The duration of the stacks are actually pretty long. You you see it for a moment. Okay, after this, first talent in his skills, if I'm not wrong, Masatsu Zetsugi Akaushi Burst. All right, hurls Ushi, the young Akaushi. Okay, essentially, Itto throws a bull, and it will be a geo construct, and it will gain a stack, and if it dies, you gain another stack. So it is basically a taunting and also just giving some stacks, which is pretty good because Itto really needs those stacks. Alright, the ult. Look at that ult, man. It's pretty cool, man. Look at that. You see that? The dash forward one, that is actually his charge attack. So this is just his normal attack, right? And then you dash, boop. That is the superlative super strength charge attack, which is pretty cool. Yeah. His attack is based on defense as well. Once you pretty much use his burst. And in the first and third strike, you'll actually gain a stack. So per combo, you actually gain around 2 stacks. That is if it's C0. I think if it's C, like, I don't know. You'll see enough. You'll see soon enough after this. But there's a downside. It decreases Itto's elemental and physical resistance by 20%, which is... It's not a big deal if you actually use a full Geo team, because you can just use Noelle, or you can use Zhongli for the shield, which is pretty good, I guess. You don't need to get hurt. And as for a healer, I don't think you need a healer in this Geo team. I mean, you have Noelle, which you can put in your Geo team, but I don't think you need a healer for Itto. So let's take a look at Honey Impact. Alright, Honey Impact. Oh, what the F? Alright, Honey Impact, okay. So, look, if you look at his stats, he is a crit rate progression ascension, which is pretty good. Usually, male characters actually is crit rate, while female characters is crit damage, so yeah, maybe Ayato will be like this as well. Crit rate instead of crit damage. So, same stuff. And his scaling is actually pretty good at like level 8. Like that. his normal attack combo is pretty high. It's pretty good. Pretty good. You can actually build physical Itto if you want to, but it's really budget. It's still possible, but I think Geo Itto is better, of course. But it's possible to do physical Itto. You'll see soon enough why. Kesagiri combo slash damage. His Kesagiri combo slash damage. There's like I believe it's 5 stacks, so it's like 5 combo, which is 155% ish times 5, and then the final one is actually 300 ish damage, 300%, which is high AF. It's pretty high for a charge attack right there, man. If you do like three stacks, it's probably the third one is probably just gonna be the final combo. So which means I think 1 stack is high enough. If you can spam the Kasagiro final slash, oh my god, it's just too strong. Yeah, his duration for the superlative super strength is actually pretty long, which is 60 seconds. So I think if you switch character, it will still be activated, so you can just do the normal attack and stuff, and then you switch, and then you do it again, and I think it's pretty good. Saichi Monji slash. This is the one-hit strike with the charge attack. It's not like an ordinary charge attack. It's just 1 slash, which is fine, I guess. It costs 20 stamina because it doesn't have a stack. Plunge, yeah, whatever. And then now, this is what is kind of interesting, because his skill is not based on defense. It's based on his attack. So it's a split freaking scaling, but it's fine because it's his skill basically just do 1 throw of a bull, Ushi, right? And it dealt pretty decent, 491%, which is, if I'm not wrong, that is as high as Xiao skill, almost. Based on his 100% HP as well. The Ushi actually, like, if you have 15k HP, Ushi will do like, have 15k HP as well. So, pretty good. Duration is 6 seconds, cooldown 10 seconds, 4-second uptime, isn't it? Is it 4-second? Yeah, I think it's 4-second. So you can, it's either 4-second or it's only like 6 seconds because of Ushi dies first. But that's fine actually. His skill is not that special. Alright, it's just a stack buff. The only purpose you wanna use this skill is probably only for stacking and for taunting as well. That's all. It's nothing special. But his burst, his OP, okay? Look at that. 92% defense, man, as attack. That is so OP. That's strong, man. That's strong, my guy. Oh my god. And 10% attack speed bonus. Imagine if you have C2 Jin and C6 Yunjin. That would be like how much? Like 40, almost 40% attack speed. Holy crap. The duration is 11 seconds, cooldown is 18 seconds, energy cost is 70. Energy cost 70, huh? Yeah, Itto needs an energy kinda, yeah, we needs a lot of energy recharge to be able to get a lot of uptime, huh? Probably Geo Traveler will be a good support if you like Geo Traveler with Favonius sword, or Goro with Favonia's bow. That would work. Yeah, I'm not gonna summon for Itto though. I'm not. There's a reason why. Okay, this is the wood is kind of useless. When Arataki Itto uses consecutive Arataki Kasagiri, he obtains the following effect. Each slash increase the attack speed of the next slash by 10%. Max attack speed increase is 30%, which means it's probably 40%. 40% attack speed. That's insane, dude. Imagine comboing that with Yunjin and also Jin. Oh boy. 70% attack speed. Yeah, imagine that. On a freaking Claymore user. Holy crap. Increases resistance to interruption. I mean, the increase his resistance to interruption will be a big problem as well. It's like, because it's, you have, if you have Goro, you don't need to worry about your super armor knockdown, knockback at all. Don't need to worry. This is the reason why. Yeah, look at this. Arataki Kasagiri damage is increased by 35% of Arataki Itto's defense. This is the reason why I say that physical might be another option to Itto's build. Like if you have physical Itto, like just say Itto, you have Jin C2 if you have Jin C2. If you don't have, you can Yunjin, because Yunjin C0 or C6, it doesn't matter because it's buffing his normal attack as well. So it's pretty good, I guess, based on her defense. I will not break down Yunjin because it's still in beta, but yeah. Constellation. Now, his Constellation. If you want to chase for his Constellation, I think C2 is good enough. I think C2 would be a game changer to Itto because, yeah, let's see C1 first. After using your ult or your burst, Itto gains 2 stacks, right? And after 1 second, we'll gain another stacks for every 0.5 seconds. It's a game changer as well. And C2 is pretty cool. Like, you need to use all Geo Party though for that one, for this one. Like skills, cooldown is 1.5 seconds. Restores 6 energy to Arataki Itto, right? Which is pretty good. So, your skill cooldown is gonna reduce to 4.5 seconds. And you're gonna gain 18 energy after his ult. Which is, that's a game changer right there. You have more uptime now. I mean, C4 is good, a good support, but it's not really important that much. C4 is pretty good for like your team. C6, of course, C6 is a game changer because C6 is usually broken. Like, his charge attack gains 70% critical damage and has a 50% chance to not consume any stacks. Like, that's insane, right? His name card is so good, man. So, I would say Itto is like Noelle, but it's not actually like Noelle. It's like Xiao, Hu Tao, and Xiao because his charge attack is more focused on single target rather than a full radius AoE. Like, but he hits like a truck. Maybe could hit like 50k per charge attack. Like, that's gotta be insane. And then, yeah, I think Itto could be a pretty meta character, pretty strong character for your if you want to build a full Geo team. Like Albedo, Zhongli, Goro, and Itto would be amazing. And you could also use 2 Geo, 2 Electro for more energy gain. Like, for example, Zhongli, Itto, Raiden, Fischl, or Zhongli, Itto, Beidou, Fischl. You can use that, I guess. Like for, or you can use Electro Traveler or Geo Traveler, but I think Geo Traveler is much better for Itto. Yeah, I think that's it, man. This is a full breakdown of Arataki Itto. He's really cool. I kind of like him. The only problem why I don't want to summon is because of Yae Miko is coming soon. And Ayato as well. Which, you know me. I've been waiting for those two characters for a long time. Like, yeah, man. Ayato, especially his JP voice. Oh my god. I can't wait. Well, I think that's it for this breakdown character. I will break down Yunjin and Shenhe. Is it Shenhe or Shenhe? Once the official release of the trailer or maybe the skills and stuff is up, which is probably 2 more weeks until we have the dev stream. So be looking forward to that. Yep, that's all. See you next time. Peace.